Hello guys, welcome to Affinity. Today we want to teach you how to trace an image here. As you can see from here, this image has lost its quality. So we want to trace it back to its original quality to achieve this like this. Look at how the resolution is so sharp. So just hang with me with the tutorial. Let's teach you. So right now, let's delete this quality. Let it remain this one. So now I want to transform this to that other quality which you have just seen. So right now, make sure that you're on vector. And then as you're on vector, make sure you're also on the vector viewpoint. This vector viewpoint allows you to view this from the vector section. Because the moment you are on studio, you can't achieve that. So right now, you're on vector, come to vector here, then scroll down from the list of drop down options like this, and then come to image trace. Click on the image trace, then ensure that your edge threshold is 100%. 100% meaning that if your edge threshold is below 100%, the edges will not be sharp, it will be curved. And then from this curve fitting tolerance, allow it to be on 0 for you to get the best quality which you want. So from here, edge threshold 100, this fitting tolerance 0, then click on apply. So let's zoom in now to see. If you zoom in now, you see how sharp this image have become. Let's zoom from the other axis. Let's go in. Look at how sharp we have achieved this image, and then you can use it in your design, or you can use it to print like this. You can export it with high definition. So right now let's try another. Let's pick another format section. Let's pick this, copy. Let's copy from here, take it back, then let's paste. Okay, let's just drag in and paste here. Let's drag and see. Zoom in. As you can see, this is also, the quality is a bit dull. So let's trace it. We ensure it's on vector. Come to vector here, click on trace. Then if you tend to see this, for instance, if it's less than, if you reduce this threshold, there's a way it curves. But if you leave it at 100%, it gives you that maximum effect. So now click on apply. As you can see, this is how it comes out. It's so clear with no distortion. So thank you and subscribe for more.